कौन सा सब्जेक्ट?
एंशिएंट चाइना।
एंशिएंट चाइना, ये किस में है? कौन से?
सोशल स्टडीज।
सोशल स्टडीज़ का पार्ट है। चैप्टर नंबर क्या है?
7।
ओके, टेस्ट देना है?
हाँ जी।
वर्बल?
और हाँ जी।
ओके, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नेम द 6th लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ वर्ल्ड।
द हंगरी रिवर और येलो रिवर is the 6th longest river in the world.
Why Hong He River is called the Yellow River?
It is called the Yellow River because it carries yellowish silk from the western half of the river.
Okay. Next question is, which country is famous for silk production?
The China is famous for its silk production.
What was the symbol of emperor?
The dragon was often the symbol of emperors.
Define divination.
The process of learning what the god wants is called divination.
What was Chinese religion?
Chinese religion. The ancient China believed in many gods, ancestors, worship, most important, very most important, since they believed their family members become god like afterlife.
How many philosophies were followed by the Chinese?
The three most important philosophies were followed by the ancient China are Confucianism, Taoism, Buddhism.
Why was Chinese philosophies
Was different from
their religion?
their religion. अच्छा, they their they are believed many gods. Their religion was different from other religion because they don't include a powerful god.
What is the meaning of word Tao?
The word Tao means the way of path.
When was Buddhism introduced?
The Buddhism is was introduced in China 2000 years ago through Silk Road.
Name the concept
बस
of
खत्म हो
Buddhist.
गए। 10
खत्म
तक
हो
थे।
गई? बड़ी जल्दी आपका चैप्टर खत्म हुआ।
छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस हैं, जल्दी होंगे याद।
छोटे क्वेश्चंस हैं। ओके, अब हुरैन से सुनते हैं। तो स्टार्ट।
बाबा, ये कंप्यूटर का सब्जेक्ट है, चैप्टर नंबर 7 है। चैप्टर इंट्रोडक्शन टू एमएस लोगो है, एमएसडब्ल्यू लोगो है, ये इसका एडमिशन टेस्ट है।
ओके, किस क्लास का है ये?
3।
आप 3 में पढ़ती हो?
यस।
ओके, पता मुझे है, लेकिन ये वीडियो में शूट करने के लिए मैंने पूछा। What do you mean by primitives?
A logo command is called primitives.
Write down 3 uses of logo.
Write picture, typing text, calculator number.
How will you start logo?
Start button, R program, Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, to start menu, logo screen appear.
What is the basic use of recall list box in Commander window?
The use of basic recall list box is to keep all the commands that are typed by you.
How will you exit logo?
How will you exit logo? Select file menu, click it option, click close window. बस।
ओके, ये पहला है सेलेक्ट फाइल मेन्यू, फिर है क्लिक एग्जिट ऑप्शन,
थर्ड है क्लिक क्लोज विंडो।
क्लिक क्लोज विंडो। ओके।